friends, let's practice some more numbers today. So in your printing book, we're going to go again all the way towards the end, and we're going to be on page number 91. We're going to look at the numbers 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 today. All right, so last time when we were looking at our numbers, do you remember where we started writing? Exactly, up in that top corner, right? All right, so for the number 5, that's where we're also going to start. When I make the number 5, I make the line down first. Then I make a little curve to the bottom. Then, after I make my line and my little curve, then I go back to the top and make a little line over. That way we're making sure we write it in the right direction. Okay, so start here. Let's trace some. Start at the top in our corner. Little line down. Little curve to the bottom. Frog jump back to the top. Little line across. So this part, this little line across, that's the last one we're going to do. Let's trace another one. Little line down. Little curve to the bottom. Frog jump. Little line across. Good, let's make some on our own. Little line down. Little curve to the bottom. Frog jump. Little line across. Good, let's do another one. Little line down. Little curve. Frog jump. Little line across. Good, it helps us write them in the right direction when we do them this way. Back to that top corner. Little line down. Little curve. Frog jump. Little line across. Good, let's write some on our own. All right, imagine that gray box. Where are we going to start? That's right, up here. Little line down. Little curve to the bottom. Frog jump. Little line across. How did you do? Good, let's do another. Little line down. Little curve to the bottom. Frog jump. Little line across. Very good. All right, let's write the word 5. 5 starts with our letter F. And then the letter I, just that straight little line down. A V, slant down, slant up. And then an E, little line, make a C. Good. There's 5. All right, let's look at a 6. 6, they start in the corner. I actually want you to start a little bit over because it kind of looks like the letter B. We're going to start a little bit over, a little different than they have. So instead of way in the corner, just a little bit over, we're going to make a big curve to the bottom and we're going to curl up and around. 6. Good, let's do it again. So not all the way in the corner, just a little bit over. Big curve down, curl up. There we go. Let's try another one. Start a little bit over. Big curve to the bottom. Curl around. Very good. Let's do another one. So not all the way on the side, just a little bit over. Big curve to the bottom. Curl around. Very good. Let's do one more. Not all the way on the side, a little bit over. Big curve to the bottom. Curl around. There we go, our number 6. Just remember, even though we're not starting all the way over at the side, that's still the side of the square we're writing on. We're not going to start it on this side, are we? Nope, always on this side of that. You can have like an imaginary square in your head when you're writing, and that'll help you put them in the right spot. All right, let's write the word 6. What's our first letter? S, and then I, X. Very good. All right, let's look at two more numbers. Let's turn the page to 92. Let's make a 7. All right, to make a 7, same place that we're starting. We're going to make a little line across and a big slanted line down. That's it. We just have to remember what side to start on, that same corner. Big line across, slanted line down. Good. Let's make some on our own. Little line across, big slanted line down. 7. Good. Line across, big slanted line down. Good. Let's do another. Line across, big slanted line down. Good. Let's do 2 more. Line across, big slanted line down. 1 more. Line across, big slanted line down. Good. And now let's write our word 7. Start with our S, and then E, V, E, and what's our last one? N. 7. Very good. All right, last one is the 8. We're going to start 8 in the same place we did the 6. Not all the way at the corner, kind of in the middle. To make an 8, we start with the letter S, and then we just curve around back to the top. That's it. So let's practice here. We'll start in the middle. We make an S, and then we curve around back to the top. Good. Let's trace another one. Start with an S, curve around back to the top. Good. Let's write some on our own. So start on our dot in the middle. Make an S, curve around back to the top. Good. Let's make another one. Start with an S, curve around back to the top. Good. Let's do another one. Make an S, curve around back to the top. Good. Now you don't have to pick up your pencil at all to make these 8s. Let's do 2 more. Start, let's say, on the side or in the middle. Where do we start? In the middle. That's right. Start with an S, and then curve around back to the top. Good. 1 more. Start with an S, curve around back to the top. Good. All right, last thing. Let's write the word 8. It starts with E, and then I, G, H, T. 8. Very good. I know 8 starts like it starts with an A sound, right? The letter A. Look what letter it starts with. An E. It is a tricky letter. The E and the I and the G and the H, they make an A sound. Kind of a tricky one. 8. Very good. All right, friends, thanks for practicing those numbers with me today. When you're doing your math, try and think of these numbers so that we can write them the right direction. All right, friends, thanks for practicing with me.